Sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that may help with depression and anxiety. So let's create a delicious and healthy recipe today using sardines. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we know that true wealth is health, and health really begins in the kitchen. A lot of you have been requesting some more low-carb recipes, so today we are going to be making a low-carb sardine salad. To your medium-sized bowl, we're going to add in 4 1/4 ounces of wild sardines. I'm using the ones that were packed in olive oil, but you certainly can use the ones that are packed in water. Sardines are super rich in vitamin B12, which 40% of us are deficient in. They're also one of the least contaminated fishes that we can consume, simply because of their size. Next we have 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped up parsley, which can help flush out your kidneys. Also, if you have bad breath, you can take one of these sprigs of parsley and chew on it for a few minutes and it'll freshen up your mouth. Next I have 1 stalk of celery that's been chopped up, 1 chopped up sun-dried tomato, which is about 1 tablespoon worth. Now if you don't have sun-dried tomatoes, you certainly can substitute this with a fresh tomato, or you could omit it if you don't eat tomatoes. 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped up red onion, or you could chop up 1 scallion. Both would taste really great in our salad. 1/2 of a tablespoon of capers, which are just a small flower bud that have been pickled, so they've got a really strong flavor. If you don't want to use capers or don't have them, you certainly could use some pickles or even pickle relish. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C. Such a great addition to most recipes. And it turned out to be about half of my lemon, just a little bit less. But a great ritual in detoxifying the body and detoxifying the liver is first thing in the morning, get up, get a glass of filtered water and squeeze half of a lemon into your water, stir it up, drink it down, and then don't eat anything for the next 30 minutes. It's a wonderful way to detoxify the body and alkalize the body. Now I have just a little bit of seasoning. I have about 1/8 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and a little bit less than 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Don't want to get it too spicy unless you like spicy. I guess you could put in more. Just depends on how hot you want your recipe to be. Now I'm going to toss all of my ingredients together. And if you want your salad to stick together even more, you can add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of either mayonnaise or some olive oil. We added in the lemon juice, so I'm thinking, as you can see, it sticks together already pretty darn well. So I would recommend giving it a taste and then seeing if you want to add in anything to it, or just leave it as is. Okay, we are ready to give this sardine salad a try. I went ahead and served mine over a bed of lettuce with some chopped up avocado, but there are so many ways you could serve this. You could serve it in your favorite gluten-free tortilla, over toast, with crackers, and an avocado, or really all on its own. So let's give it a try. So many yummy different flavors here. That's really nice. So I think that it compares to a wonderful tuna salad. So I would, when you're preparing it, dress it up the way that you would normally dress up your tuna salad. And I think you'll love it. I think you'll be really surprised. You could squeeze some more lemon juice over top. You could add some cracked pepper over top. You could add in some of your favorite nuts or seeds, dried cranberries, dried cherries. I mean, the list is endless. I hope you give this one a try. Sardines are so healthy for you, and this is just a wonderful way to introduce them into your diet, maybe in a way that you haven't thought about before. Thanks so much for being with me today. Take great care of yourself this week. make healthy choices, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen. Take care. Bye-bye.